Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. For those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading pick a card videos on different topics and also your weekly and monthly love career prediction. This is going to be for Scorpio, Sun, Moon and Rising sign. This is going to be a general reading. This might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate, then please consider subscribing my channel. Here we're gonna take a look at tarot cards regarding your past, present and future situation for the June from 15th to 21st of the June, and finally we'll end up the video using some advisors, taking some advisors through oracle cards. Okay, we're gonna take a look at your past, present and future situation for Scorpio, Sun, Moon and Rising sign. What's going on for Scorpio? Scorpio, we have in the recent past Nine of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Four of Wands. In the present we have the Six of Wands, the Two of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. In the future we have Five of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups. The challenge for the week is the Tower card. Okay, for many of you the challenge for the week is there might be some sort of a huge distraction coming your way in this week. So the thing is, you have to be very strong. You know it, you have the clue that there might some situation is going to take place this week that might end up with you, like there will be some sort of distraction this week going to happen from someone. Might be some connection, maybe you're gonna hear some bad news regarding your connection. Maybe you're gonna hear some sort of very distracting news to regarding your career. Maybe some connection is going to end. I'm sorry to say that. It might, there's a chances. Okay, when you know that this might happen, then you can really take a serious step towards the connection. If you really want the relationship to end a very good positive way, then there's a chances of some conflicts coming your way this week, some disagreements coming your way. So the thing you have to do is, this is happening, then you have to take action. We're going to clarify why this Tower moment is coming your way, in what is it exactly coming. In the recent past we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Four of Wands. Here you are the Page of Cups. I feel many of you guys were offering love towards this person, offering maybe for someone having a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You were like offering love to this person, towards this person. You really think this person, this commitment, this connection is very important. It's like there was a lot of potential. You had this person, you took this person, this connection very seriously. You wanted this commitment very badly in the recent past. For some of you, there was, in this connection, there was a lot of happiness. There was a lot of potential with this connection. It was like you taking the first step towards that connection in order to get that connection towards a very positive way, very committed way. You just wanted this connection to be like that. We're going to clarify what that Four of Wands is all about. What is that commitment, what that means to you. In the present we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, the Six of Wands. So maybe for many of you there is an opportunity coming your way in the present situation, which is going to get a lot of recognition, a lot of stability, the lot of potential, the lot of successful is coming your way. But I see some of you are still making decision towards this new opportunity. You just don't know, you're just feeling confused whether to take or not, because you're still analyzing in the present moment. We're going to clarify what the Two of Wands is all about. In the future we have the Five of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups. in the future you're gonna having too much of option. Okay, for some of you it's gonna come back in the future. So I guess there'll be a lot of options for you regarding this, maybe regarding emotional connection with someone. You'll get a lot of options to make some sort of, to take some sort of decision in towards this connection. Okay, towards this connection with someone. I see there's a lot of potential already with this connection. You both are serious. Okay, you both have taken this connection very seriously. You know that this is something a very big connect, like, which gives happiness. But I feel you guys are making some sort of wrong decision, or which might end up with the tower moment. So whatever the options you have to take it very seriously, or else it will lead you to some major destruction, major disconnection with this, from this person. Okay, in the past we're going to clarify the Four of Wands. You are offering something to someone. Okay, we're going to clarify the Page of Cups. In the past, you guys are offering something like emotional commitment, or you just want this connection. I'm going to clarify what is this Page of Cups is all about, what that connection, why are you offering this. Clarify the Page of Cups in the past. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Seven of Cups, the Hermit, the Nine of Wands. Whatever the offer you were about to make towards this connection, you have been thinking about this connection a lot. You were planning in order to make move. It's like you have been there in the isolation period for a long time. You were single for a long time. Okay, you were really like giving up with this connection, but because you had lot of options with you, you didn't have only this connection in your life, but still there was a one corner in your heart, you just wanted this connection. You just, somewhere in your heart, it's like you want this connection because there is something attachment with this partner. Okay, I see that in the past you actually went towards that person and made an offer, which you gave, which I see for some of you there was a celebration regarding this connection. Maybe you guys were enjoying a moment with that person in the past. Maybe something happened in the past that made you feel towards this connection, made you feel like so happy. You felt so happy. Something happened in the past, something like made you so happy. You ended up being an abundance, like feeling like, okay, happiness. You felt it in the recent past. In the present, we're going to clarify the Two of Wands. There is some offer made to you. There is some opportunity coming towards you, which has a lot of potential, lot of stableness, very strength. So you guys are feeling, not taking any decision. You're just feeling stuck in the way, thinking a lot towards this opportunity. We're going to clarify the Two of Wands in the present moment. Why are you feeling so disturbed? Two of Wands is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles again. Maybe it's something related to your thing. Ten of Swords, the Star cards. Okay. Maybe this, for many of you, it's related to the connection in the past. You are feeling like finally you offered something in the past. It might be for many of you, it's like related to this connection. You're not you're hoping for something, like maybe you guys are feeling not so good about this opportunity. You might already are in pain. Some of you might be already in pain. You just don't want to take any sort of decision. For many of you, I feel like this opportunity was made in the past, which had some sort of painful in it already. Like, there is behind this opportunity, behind this offer, there is a lot of pain for you guys, maybe physically or emotionally. You just hoping for the best, but you are not taking any sort of decision. You're just hoping something in the present moment. Maybe you are expecting too much from this opportunity, you are expecting too much from this connection, that you are ending up being not happy, being painful in the present situation. I guess you guys are expecting too much from this connection, from this opportunity in the present moment. That's why you guys are, like some kind of disturbed. What move should I make towards this connection? Expecting too much, hoping too much from this connection, that might end up being very painful for some of you. In the future, we have the Seven of Cups. There's a painful situation going to happen in the future, because of you have so many options, Scorpio people. So you might end up taking some wrong decision, end up being sad. We're going to clarify why that Five of Cups is here. Why are you ending up being sad in the future? We're going to clarify the Five of Cups. Five of Cups is clarified by the Two of Cups. There was, we can clarify, Page of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, for many of you, there was soulmate connection in the horizon. Okay, you just had an option to choose something regarding this connection. There was some opportunity have come your way. Someone was just offering you something, like there was a person who was waiting for your connection. Okay, all of a sudden there's something happened, ended up there was the happiness, that cycle went down and the sadness came up. It's like there may be chances of you taking wrong decision towards this connection, towards this potential connection with someone. I see that this person shares so much mutual things, you share so much similarities. Okay, that person is, there's a chances of you meeting your soulmate in the future. So because of some wrong decision, because of some choosing, there was lot of decision should be made towards this connection. The Seven of Cups, we're going to clarify why Seven of Cups is here. What was that option was all about, option is going to be all about in the future. Seven of Cups, why are you taking the wrong decision towards your soulmate, ending up being sad? You're gonna make an action. Ace of Swords, a very straightforward action. There was a strong connection. You knew this was a strong connection because you just wanted to end it up. You just don't want this connection. For many of you, I guess for some of you, you had, this is something, a very strongest connection coming in the horizon. This is something, a very deep connection. Okay, just you are connected to this person very strongly. You just wanted to end up that situation. You were not happy with the connection. You just ended up, you're choosing to end the connection and start over your new life, start a new lifestyle, start to have your own new life, a fresh start. You decided to end the connection and give it a fresh start in the future situation. That is what ending up being sad regarding your option, regarding this decision what you're gonna make in the future. You end up being sad. So that's a challenge. You have to make a good decision, a serious decision, so that you won't end up being this moment. You will feel distracted this week. Okay, you just want to come out of that distraction. For that, you have to make every sort of decision very clearly. We're gonna take a look at your advice card. What oracle cards have for you, advice from the oracle cards. Fixed moon, hold your vision. It says hold your vision. So no matter what the distraction might come your way, in this week. So definitely there is some distraction, there is some conflict, there is some total accident is going to happen. It says that you know what you want, so whatever happens, don't get disturbed. You know your vision, your goal, just focus on it. Don't get distracted. What you want, you know it very clearly. Just hold your vision, it will happen. Okay, for everyone the good things will come. Good things will come. Just don't lose the hope. That's what it's telling us. That is all I have for the Scorpio sun, moon and rising sign. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.